Today we're going to repair this Redmi 9C LCD screen. Let's get started. First step, remove the SIM card tray. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Remove the screws attached on the motherboard cover. Remove the motherboard cover in place. Disconnect the fingerprint sensor cable. Disconnect the battery and LCD connector. Remove the battery in place. Remove the sub-board cover. Disconnect the flex cable. Heat up and remove the broken LCD in place. Clean the LCD frame thoroughly. Transfer the earpiece mesh to the new LCD. Place the adhesive on the LCD frame contacts. Attach the new LCD screen in place. Attach the flex cable properly. Attach the battery in place. Place back the sub-board cover. Plug in the battery and the fingerprint sensor connector. Place back the motherboard cover properly. Attach the back cover in place. Place back the SIM card tray. This Xiaomi Redmi 9C is now successfully repaired.
Thank you for watching.
I'm Byron the Jackson.